Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to do for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is going to be. Okay, and of course guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So right from here, it started an uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, but this time around broke out from there, and of course it is still buying. Okay, if it breaks out above this next resistance zone, then it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, this is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this region, and it's playing around there for a while. If it's able to break out below the support zone, then definitely it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. This is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It went on uptrend and came to an end at this resistance zone. Right from there, it started selling, and it has been selling since then. Okay, it got to this support zone, it's unable to break out below it, and of course it started buying right from there. This might not go for a very long time in case it breaks out below the support zone, but if it does not, it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, buying at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on a very strong uptrend, got to this region, was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend from there, and of course we expect this to sell for long, most especially once it breaks out from that support zone. Okay, except if it does not break out from the support zone, that is when it will go back on uptrend fully. Okay, so this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 is now, I mean, had been on downtrend for a very long time, but it has not been able to break out below this support zone, and that is why it's buying at the moment. So presently this is buying at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and of course practice very well in your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God